Today, we're taking a look at some of the best accessories you can buy for your Apple Vision Pro. We bought a few compact travel cases from Amazon, along with compact folding keyboards that are perfect for travel, and a few other accessories. So we'll put all the links to the accessories shown in the description of this video. First up, let's take a look at a couple travel cases we got on Amazon. The first one we got for less than $30, and it's pretty compact. It fits the Vision Pro headset. There's also two straps on the inside, one that fits the battery, and the second to tuck away the charging cable. We like this compared to Apple's official case that costs $200 and doesn't have any place to hold the cable. This case from Amazon is also more compact than the official travel case from Apple, and it's also a lot lighter, coming in at just 0.6 pounds compared to Apple's case, which is 2 pounds. Next, we bought a slightly larger version of this case, which you can find for under $35 on Amazon. It still fits the headset nice and snug and has the same straps to hold the battery and cable. But this case also has an extra mesh compartment on the other side, so you can fit extra accessories like your charger or folding travel keyboard. Speaking of keyboards, we tried a few compact folding keyboards that we got on Amazon. First up is this folding keyboard for $50. It comes in a nice little storage case and opens up to a full-size keyboard and keys that include a number pad. Setting it up with the Vision Pro is easy. All you have to do is pair it and connect it using Bluetooth. We tested another keyboard that's also full-sized, and this one's on Amazon for $50. It's a slightly more compact design, and it has a nice fake leather outside that gives it a good grip. The keys are a scissor switch design, so they type really nice and feel similar to typing on a laptop. Now, this keyboard also features a trackpad built into the right-hand side. We tested this trackpad on the Vision Pro, and unfortunately, the trackpad didn't seem to be supported yet. But the keys still type really nice, and another benefit is you can pair multiple devices to this keyboard, and so you could use it for your iPad. Speaking of trackpads, we did find that Apple's own Magic Trackpad does work with the Vision Pro. When you pair it, it gives you the ability to control the entire Vision OS using a cursor. This is actually really nice, giving you the ability to be a lot more precise and quick. You can buy the Magic Trackpad for $149 in black or $129 for the white one. Another accessory we tested was the battery holder by Belkin. It costs $50 from Apple's store, and it holds the battery so you can clip it into your belt or pants. It's easy to pop the battery in and out of the case, and it also comes with a body strap so you can also wear the battery. Finally, we did order and test a clear front screen protector for the front glass of the Vision Pro. However, when testing it, we found that it wasn't really a good fit and also was interfering with the cameras. So we're working on testing a few other ones, so be sure to subscribe and look out for a part 2 video for more accessories for the Vision Pro coming up next right here on our channel.